Yeah, a couple new Rude units. Just down from those. Here we have a probably late 90s Rheem. It's one with the flag. I like these.
What model is it?
Ooh, it's got the flag on it. I've always liked the one with
93.
I've always liked the one with the flag behind it. It's an older one. Revalue unit.
Two receiver heat pumps.
Old disconnect.
This one's a 2016 4-ton.
Rude.
A little bit of a trestle right here, so if I don't die.
Down at the end we have this. By that transformer that I really hate. I'll start on this end. Another one of these.
Huge compressor in there.
Minty looking carriers on a decal.
I want to get a shot of that. Not often you see something this minty that's this old. 2000. There's a CKC or a YCC back there.
Newer Rheem.
CKC. Straight cool unit.
Yep, CKC. It's got a Copeland.
2000. What ton was this at?
It is a 42,000 BTU. Disconnects.
I'm not gonna bother with the data sheet on that one.
You're heading through. Rheem logo. Data is right here.
Another flag light logo.
There's a newer Root Achiever. The silver style. The flag style stamped octagon, probably early 90s. 1993. I wonder why they put electrical tape over that. That's concerning. You can kind of see where it says Classic X. High efficiency. That old Rheem logo. That's it for these. Those big carriers up there. Alright. Actually, 3 Rheems, 1 Rude.
This style and a Root Achiever.
I like these.
Newer Root Achiever.
I like these units. Old Rheems.
93.
And then there's a Rude right here.
5
This one's probably from like 2013.
Bless me.
You feel blessed. These are all 1993.
49,000 BTU.
Oh, that's an odd one.
Rheem and Root always does that with their model numbers.
Nice
This one's
little
sticking
Rude.
on better than those.
See the reflection of it in the window.
Those labels are sticking on better than this one. Now these are much older.
Well, yeah. Alright, that'll be it. Actually, no, there's 2 more down here. This one's disconnects coming off.
A lot of Rheem and Rose have different variations.
The two similar models. All right, that'll be it. If you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.